Do not exit your home by any means. Do not exit your home by any means. The country of St. Millington wants all citizens to stay indoors for the remaining 24 hours. Here's instructions for the rest of the 24 hours if you're in danger of being attacked. As you, a St. Millington citizen, could come across an entity known as the Shadow. The Shadow is observed to be a tall, thin creature, around the size of a 6-foot man. The Shadow will try to invade and attack people by both mental and physical means. Do not come in contact with the Shadow or you could get injured or killed. It is advised to stay in one room and keep a distance from the Shadow. Stay in one room or room with multiple exits, potentially cameras. Do not try to fight back or you will be infected. Being infected causes thoughts of injuring yourself or causing acts of violence on non-infected. But an infected. An infected will have a constant smile and be violent, while having green and purple eyes. A non-infected will have normal eyes and isn't smiling constantly. Your average person. Do not. The Shadow looks to be like a 3D children's drawing see-through. Now you can return back to your TV program.